Let us find out the metal's ability to conduct heat. We have taken an iron rod connected to a stand as shown. A pin is attached to the free end of the rod using wax. A Bunsen burner is kept below the iron rod near the stand. Heat the iron rod with a Bunsen burner and observe the melting of wax. We see that the pin falls after some time as the wax melts down due to the heat or raise in temperature of the iron rod. Although the iron rod is heated on the other side, the wax melts down at the free end. It indicates that the heat has traveled through the rod, which means the iron rod is a good conductor of heat. Now, replace the iron rod with aluminium, copper, and silver rods and find out the time taken for the pin to fall down. We find that all of these metal samples are good conductors of heat and the heat conductivity varies for different metals.